Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this series, Mind is Not a Trash Can, we explore the depths of the human psyche and uncover ways to cultivate inner peace and harmony. Today, our focus turns to the powerful emotion of anger. Anger is a fiery emotion that can consume us if left unchecked. It arises from feelings of frustration, injustice, or powerlessness and can have damaging effects on both our mental and physical well-being. Here are some common anger behavior examples. Anger behavior number 1, outbursts. It is when someone reacts explosively to perceived slights or injustices, often without regard for the consequences. Anger behavior number 2, passive aggression. When someone expresses anger indirectly through sarcasm, silent treatment, or other passive-aggressive behaviors, it can be referred as passive aggression. It is like a slow poison that consumes a person's energy. Anger behavior number 3, rumination. Dwelling on past grievances and allowing resentment to build over time may result into mental instability. Anger behavior number 4, physical aggression. Resorting to physical violence or threats as a means of expressing anger is an act of physical aggression. Anger behavior number 5, blame. Blame is all about assigning fault to others for our own feelings of anger, instead of taking responsibility for our emotions. But fear not, for there are ways to overcome the grip of anger on our minds. Here are the top 10 things that can be done to tackle anger. 1. Deep breathing. 2. Mindfulness meditation. 3. Physical activity. 4. Healthy communication. 5. Empathy. 6. Self-reflection. 7. Conflict resolution skills. 8. Boundaries. 9. Anger management techniques. 10. Seeking support. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm the body's stress response and regain control over emotions. Cultivate mindfulness through meditation, allowing you to observe anger without being consumed by it. Channel pent-up energy into physical activities like exercise or sports to release tension and reduce anger. Express feelings of anger assertively and constructively, without resorting to aggression or hostility. Practice empathy by putting yourself in the other person's shoes, seeking to understand their perspective. Reflect on the root causes of anger and explore healthier ways of responding to triggers. Learn effective conflict resolution skills to address underlying issues and find mutually beneficial solutions. Set clear boundaries to protect yourself from situations or people that trigger anger. Explore anger management techniques such as visualization, progressive muscle relaxation, or journaling. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist for support and guidance in managing anger. And now, to aid you on your journey, here are some affirmations to overcome thoughts of anger. I am in control of my emotions, and I choose peace over anger. I release all feelings of resentment and embrace forgiveness. I am worthy of love and respect, even in moments of anger. I let go of the need to control others and focus on controlling my own reactions. I choose to respond to challenges with patience and understanding. I release all negativity and invite positivity and tranquility into my life. I am capable of handling difficult situations with grace and composure. I honor my emotions, but I do not let them dictate my actions. I am surrounded by love and support, even in moments of anger. I forgive myself for any past mistakes made in moments of anger. I am a peaceful presence in the world, spreading kindness and compassion. I release all tension from my body and mind, allowing calm to flow in. I am resilient in the face of adversity, choosing peace over conflict. I let go of all grudges and choose to move forward with an open heart. I am grounded in the present moment, free from the grip of anger. I release all need for revenge and embrace the healing power of forgiveness. I am patient and understanding with myself and others, even in moments of frustration. I choose to respond to anger with empathy and compassion. I am the master of my emotions, and I choose to respond with love and understanding. I release all negativity from my mind and fill it with thoughts of peace and serenity. I am capable of transforming anger into positive action and growth. I release all attachments to anger and embrace the freedom of forgiveness. I am a beacon of light, shining with love and compassion for all beings. I choose to let go of anger and invite joy and harmony into my life. I am at peace with myself and the world around me, letting go of all anger and resentment. Thanks for watching. Remember, your mind is not a dustbin for anger. By cultivating mindfulness, empathy, and healthy coping mechanisms, you can overcome the grip of anger and experience inner peace and harmony. Until next time, may you walk the path of peace and understanding.